Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mystic Roads. In this video, let me take you to visit one of the most fascinating and quaint districts of Taiwan, that is Tamsui. Tamsui, also known as Danshui, is a seaside district in New Taipei City, located at the northern tip of Taiwan. It is a fishing town that was once a Spanish settlement and the largest trade port in Taiwan. Today, with its proximity to the city and the completion of Tamsui MRT lines, it's become a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors to its riverside parks, fisherman's wharf, and open markets selling different types of street foods. Tamsui is located along the north coast about 40 minutes from the Taipei by the MRT line and is very accessible as a day trip, especially popular with locals during the weekend. Home to a variety of Western, colonial, Japanese, Southern and Fijianese and native Taiwanese cultural and architectural attractions, Tamsui is a must-visit location for all visitors to the Taipei area. Most renowned for its amazing sunset landscape, Tamsui is home to a large array of restaurants, caves, shops, hawker stalls, street performers, traditional cultural performances, and is the gateway to Taiwan's scenic north coast. Because of its proximity to the city and the convenience of the MRT system, one of the easiest day trips you can make is to Tamsui and Beitou. Both are stops on the Red Line, so you can easily visit them both on the same day trip. Tamsui Old Street is divided into the inner and outer side. The outer street is the Golden Anchor Walkway of Tamsui River Coast, while the inner side is a traditional old street lined with bustling shops. There are traditional pastry shops, groceries, and stores selling trendy outfits and toys. The popular foods in the area include agay, fish ball, fried fish crackers, traditionally baked cake, granny's iron eggs, etc. are all must-try goodies. In the evening, the beautiful scenery of the sun setting below the ocean horizon can be seen along the Golden Anchor Walkway. The Tamsui Old Street is a wonderful contrast to the busyness of the Taipei city. Just a few minutes walk from Tamsui MRT station, the old street is easily accessible and impossible to miss. You will surely find something worth tasting among the diverse snacks available here. With a beautiful view of the setting sun before you, it's no surprise that people love this place. When you are in Taiwan, don't ever miss to take a train journey to visit this lovely place and spend your evening at ease.
不要听见你真的说出口，再给我一点温柔。不要听见你真的说出口。
Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.